Did Colt die?
No, he said he was here.
I just said I was back.
I thought that was crazy.
Shut up!
Yeah, they sound identical.
Oh my god, what a perfect.
Diabolic bomb.
This Shadow Meld interaction with Feral is stupid. More so on this ball.
5, 4, 3, 2. Apocalypse protocol.
Damn, someone's chunk.
Apocalypse last?
Yeah, I got hit by 2. I was just about to hit Blink too.
Do you run so fast?
5, 4, 3.
I was trying to aim, and I stood there for too long.
Watch your feet.
Bomb.
So sad.
Did that turn your crazy?
Boss?
Shit, no went off.
Diabolic bomb.
Orbs.
I got boss. 2 at rain.
2 together.
Find
Make
him.
sure you don't die yourself.
Low blow.
Bomb.
More orbs.
Shit, I got boss. You can get that.
One more.
Diabolic bomb.
Adds in 15. Orb and
I got
melee.
it.
Careful. Pop shout.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Never saw that one.
Get to your heads.
And pop in this one. I saw that, Rika. Or I can miss the orb too. Still popping this orb, so.
Apocalypse protocol.
Go purple.
5, 4, 3.
Watch your feet.
Protocol.
Make sure you're on orange. Watch Ruiner.
Zoo, close your chat window.
Diabolic bomb.
Orbs. Spread your debuffs. Big heals on
One more.
feet. Hold on. Okay, we're good. Do it.
Yeah, it's still coming around. I got boss.
Ruiner.
Diabolic bomb.
More orbs. Heal everybody up. Okay.
One more orb.
Remember, we're swapping ads. Got about 20 seconds. Watch your
boss.
Start shooting to your head. Watch the orbs that are spawning.
Bliss, where do we go?
Diabolic
Green.
bomb.
What's up there, green?
Got this orb. We have debuffs. Careful.
Apocalypse
You're gonna
protocol.
kill people. Yeah. Alright, you got that. Rika. Watch your feet.
Watch orbs, they're all at range. They're coming to green. Green, watch out.
That means you hug the boss.
Melee's clear. Watch the fucking orb.
Apocalypse protocol. Diabolic bomb.
Okay.
Listen, I'm moving in range, are you?
She's good. Just take it.
Weakest
I
strength.
got boss.
Popping this orb.
Watch her. Number one at a time.
There's a lantern right after
I
the
have divine him.
Thank you, drinking.
lantern.
Make sure everybody's hugging the boss.
Pop one orb where?
One orb coming.
Diabolic bomb.
Alright.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
So when the ads spawn, everybody just do what you were doing before.
I got boss.
But also dodge orbs.
We're not going down on one ad. Should be able to kill him.
So I'm gonna take the next ads to the green side.
I'm drinking.
25 seconds.
Diabolic bomb.
More
Why
orbs
is he-
respawning.
Oh, that's a cluster.
We have.
I got a pop.
Make sure you're walking or looking before you walk. Get to your ads. Get ready.
Pop one more.
Watch Runer. Make sure you're looking when you get to your ads. Green, they're coming around. Just get to your
Watch the
ads
tank.
safely. Always be looking for orbs. That's most important. Now let's fucking go. Kill these ads. Second pots if you haven't. And then when you're coming out, make sure you're looking. Don't just fucking run out.
Melee's still safe.
Hellstones. Hellstone.
Apocalypse
Watch
protocol.
green. Remember, take the safe route.
Watch the orb.
I'm gonna die.
Kill,
Here, yeah.
kill the
120
fucking boss.
Focus the boss, focus the boss, focus
Kill the boss.
Focus the boss, focus
Stay in melee.
the boss. Good job.
Fucking finally!
Good job, guys.
And we got the achievement.
Oh yeah, everybody gets it. It's the only way to do that, boss.
That injector.
Wow.